Stop drinking boring tea. Today we are making butterfly pea tea, the only natural drink that changes color like magic and heals your body from inside. Why should you drink this? The list is shocking. It boosts memory, focus, and cuts down anxiety instantly. It's packed with antioxidants that supports glowing skin, strong hair, and anti-aging. It helps your eyes, reduces inflammation, aids digestion, and is a powerful natural detox. The best part, it's 100% caffeine free. So let's make it. We are using dried butterfly pea flowers, fresh ones work too. Add them to boiling water. Watch how the water pulls out the nutrition, turning a stunning deep indigo blue. The flowers lose its color and all the nutrition flows down into the water. Now, here are three ways to drink it. Number one, the classic. Drink it hot and plain. It has an earthly taste, perfect for calming the mind and reducing eye strain. Number two, add honey, watch the color shift slightly to a beautiful violet. This version fights fatigue and keeps your skin hydrated from within. Number 3, the magic trick. Add honey followed by some lemon juice and boom. Look at the bright purple pink color. The acid reacts instantly. This is your metabolism booster and your daily detox drink. Blue, violet, or pink, which one will you pick? I've linked the best quality flowers in the description below you can purchase from. And don't forget to check out our apple cinnamon tea recipe next. It's a game changer. Hope you liked this video. Please do hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel.